Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
They're going fast, you see, I tell you. They don't mess about, they're going fast, see? Where are they? Go, just follow them. They go fast, I tell you, Gurudev's vehicle, they go fast.
That looks like the back of Raja Guru's head.
You're still doubting.
Peter.
Still doubting.
Peter, you're not a very trustworthy person when you say I'm sure. And listen to me. You're very doubt.
You know, after all that arrangement for the luggage,
I was going to give him 10 euros to go take the bus.
I told the German devotee, you have money? He says yes. I said, you can lend to him.
Oh, okay.
He said, I was thinking. I said, will you speak?
I've been there before.
Essa encontramos, estou aqui. Olha aí. Ok, agarra bastante. É só tirar.
सुजनार्बुदराधित पादुजुगं युगधर्मधुरन्धर पात्रवरम् वरदाभयदायक पूजपदम् प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम् भजनोजित साजन संगपतिं पतिताधिककारुणिकैकगतिम् यति वञ्चित वञ्चक चिन्त्य पदम् प्रणमामि सदा वरनागत बालिश चन्द्रपदम् प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम् विपुलीकृत वैभव गौरभुवन् भुवनेषु विकीर्तित गौरदयम् दयनीय गणार्पित गौरपदम् प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम् चिरगौरजनाशय विश्वगुरु गुरु गौरकिशोर वरदेन्द्र गणार्चित दिव्य पदम् प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदम् परहंस वरं परमार्थपतिं पतितोद्धरणे कृतवेषजतिम् यतिराजगणै परिसेव्य पदम् Pranamami sada Prabhupada padam.
Pranamami sada Prabhupada padam.
Vrishabhanu sutta daitanu charam charanashritare udarastamaham.
Vrishabhanu sutta daitanu charam charanashritare udarastamaham.
Maharadhuta pavana shakti padam.
Maharadhuta pavana shakti padam.
Pranamami sada Prabhupada padam.
Pranamami sada Prabhupada padam.
Pranamami sada Prabhupada padam.
Pranamami sada Prabhupada padam.
Oh, dice que está muy encantado estar aquí en España. Por mucho tiempo ha tenido el deseo de venir aquí y al final ha llegado.
I don't know whether your Prabhupada, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj came or not.
No, he didn't.
No.
He came once, when he went to America, he actually stepped a few steps on
He inspired me that you are my representative and you should go and inspire devotees.
Dijo que no sabía si Prabhupada ha venido aquí o no. Y la Madre Teresa dijo que una vez en el aeropuerto por un segundo o dos.
Yo lo vi, él descendió en España, por unas horas.
Oh, they said that he should have, but now he's
2-3 days.
Yeah, very quickly. Gurudev dijo que, pero abajo del orden de Srila Prabhupada ha venido como su representante.
You know that in his last time, when he was departing from this world, he called me and began to weep and sob. I have collected so many monkeys from everywhere. I could not train them. Please try to help them and train them that they should be pure devotees.
Que les dijo que cuando...
Dice que cuando Srila Prabhupada estuvo a punto de partir de este mundo, que lo llamó cerca de él y medio llorando le dijo que he dejado a tantos discípulos sin entrenar, a tantos monos sin entrenar y que por favor le ayude a entrenarlos.
He also told, there are so many God brothers, my all disciples. I met so many sannyasis. But
dice que debéis saber que mi relación con él es desde 1946 y debéis entender y que mientras él estaba en América y yo en la India, yo le mandaba cartas, libros, mindangas, dulces y tantas cosas.
letters, more than 400 letters, that how my preaching is going. Today I am here, today I am in Los Angeles, today I am here and
y que a menudo le escribía que tiene más de 400 cartas que Prabhupada le escribía informándole de dónde estaba, de cómo la prédica estaba yendo en Occidente.
400 letters. I get mostly all the letters to Sat Swarup Maharaj. He requested me to print his life. So I did. But he could not return. But still there were so many Bengali letter and Hindi letter. I had kept, and they are translated and they are like a good form they have come. The relation between myself and my Shiksha Guru.
Dice que él, que Prabhupada le mandó más de 400 cartas y que Satswarup Maharaj le pidió esas cartas para escribir la biografía de Prabhupada, pero que no las devolvió. Pero aún así, él conservó como unas cuantas cartas en bengali y en hindi, y estas están imprimidas en un pequeño librito.
Before sannyasi, when he was A.C. Bhaktivedanta, Advaita, he was in...
Oh, Krishna Rasa is like endless ocean of Rasa, Krishna. And I am getting only one drop. And if he will preach, whole world will sink in the love and affection of Krishna.
Mahaprabhu le dijo a Rupa Goswami de que este Bhakti es como un océano de rasa y que una gota de este océano puede inundar todo el mundo.
You know that Rupa Goswami has prayed, Anarpit Chari Chirat Karunaya Uttara Samarpayito Mandato Chalasam Swarapti Hari Apurva Sutta Yukaram Sambhita Sura Hidaya Kandari Sturatali Sachinan. Rupa Goswami has prayed that after a long time, in the creation of Brahma, one day, in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna himself, taking the beauty and intrinsic mood of Radha, he comes. Why he comes? Not only for Kirtan, for Vaitacharya, other can do this, but Radhaya Pranayam is to test the melody of Radha prema and to lead Raga Nuga Bhakti. Only this. So he, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has told us the process of Raga Nuga Bhakti. Serve Radhika in the mood of Rup Manjari for this and to test the melody of Radha. Radhaya Pranaya Mahima. Oh, how highest is the love and affection of Radhika. how she tastes the beauty and melody of sweet Bansi, and how it feels happiness. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came for this. This is Gaurabani. And that your Prabhupada has come only for that. Gaurabani Pracharini. Same giving, not only Kirtan. Kirtan was like a process to be. Wow.
Maharaj cita este verso Anarpita Charin Chirat Karunayavatina Kalok, de que Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu viene en un día de Brahma, y su propósito final no es solo dar kirtan, sino que viene
established his own. This was Yug Dharma. So Mahaprabhu Yug Dharma plus all the moods he did.
Entonces esto es Yuga Dharma. Entonces Mahaprabhu da este Yuga Dharma y también
Perfection, and that is why it comes to bottom of will.
Entonces, Srila Prabhupada era un experto, hombre de negocio. Entonces, los muchos seguidores han aprendido este aspecto de cómo hacer dinero, pero no han aprendido el otro aspecto de amor y afecto.
Now they tell, and they used to tell,
Y por eso caen.
all the small leaders, don't tell the name of Radha. Don't utter the name of Radha. Don't tell any sweet pastimes of Krishna with devotees or Brajavasi. And that is why they are neglected. I know thousands of times. They used to come to me. Where is Brahman? Where is Bhagavan? Where is Bhavan? Where is Kirtan? Where are all? If they were following his line, in my line, that he told me, anyone never performed, never.
Era costumbre de no permitirlo, su nombramiento, y de esta manera, por no seguir esta...
Pay and then private name, otherwise you will also make some money and bewildered or burning everywhere. About more than 36 to 8. And so many are joining. Here is okay, and we are in the bottom of ice. Yes. So perhaps in night some cold.
They organize on the weekend.
Gold Prama.
Hari Bol. Shri Gurudeva ki.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
Otherwise, no preaching in Western countries. Now those who are coming new one, also by reading his books, by his names, especially those who are coming to me, only they know that I have so much friendship with him, I have served him. He took sannyas from him, and he inspired that you must preach in Western and Eastern countries. So he began his preaching from America, from a tree, and then preached over whole world. Now we should come to our subject, that Vyas Dev. His name is also Krishna Dvaipayan Vyas, because he took birth in the island of Jamuna. Krishna Dvaipayan, the weep of Krishna, Jamuna, by the father Parashar Rishi. It was the manifestation of
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,